Jai Hind student, myself Digan Sakhiwala. I am your science sir. Dear student, it is very difficult to write in the exam. So, how to write in the exam is most important. Okay. So, how to write in the exam, particularly in the GSEB science paper. So, here I divide everything according to time. It is your choice that you follow this thing or not, and these things are my only suggestions. Okay, so we will start here. There are some condition also you have to apply in the examination. Like first thing is that three color pens, that is red, black, green, you have to avoid in the exam. Three color pen you cannot use because it is used by the other purpose. Okay, as well as dear student, always remember that in the exam diagram, figure, or some maths in that some diagrams are that you can draw with the pencil. Rest of the thing you cannot write with the pencil. Dear student, we will focus on the time management, and that is made by me. Okay, it is your choice that you can follow it. So just look at here section. We have four other A, B, C, D. Okay, we will see one by one every section. Section A, in that total question 16s are there and marks are 16. So one question carry 1 mark, so 16 question carry 16 mark. So in the each question maybe 10 words are there, total 160 words are there. So I give 15 minutes for them. Okay, so section A, one question you have less than 1 minute, and you have to complete this 16 question less than 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes in that you have to complete. Okay, if section A is remaining in 15 minutes, then leave it, give the time to the section B, because many students are there, if they are confused in one subject or one question, then they will continually focus on that question only and they waste the time. So as your time period is over, just go on the second section. Okay, section B, any 10 questions are there, each question carry 2 mark, total 20 marks are there. Word limit is 50. In each question 50 words are there, like that you have to write 10 questions, so total 500 words are there. So according to my counting, you have to give at least 47 minutes. Okay, so if you give the at least 47 minutes, so each question get 4 minutes. Section B, in that 10 question are there, in each question you have to give the 4 minute for the 10 mark question, so you can complete within the 47 minute. Okay, we have the section C, in that we have any 8 questions are there, each carry 3 marks, so 8 3s are 24. Each question in that 80 words are there, like that 8 question are there, 640 minute are there, so you have total 68 minute are there. Okay, so dear student, remember that 68 minute, and you have number of questions are 8, so you can give 8 minute to one question. Section C, in that each question carry 8 minutes, so I think you can complete in 68 minutes. Section D, in that any 5 questions are there and it carry the 20 marks, so 5 fours are 20. Each question in that you have to write maximum 120 words. Okay, like that you have 5 questions are there, 600 words are there, so 60 minutes are there. So you have to write the 5 question in the 60 minutes. So each question you have to complete in 12 minutes. Dear student, it is very important to write in exam, because in so many time it happens that students are not doing time management, and so because of that reason they are not able to complete particular section. Dear student, till now I suggest every student that you should start from the section D, because section D, in that maximum mark are there and minimum questions are there. But according to new portion, new time schedule or the mark schedule, according to that section D, in that more marks are there, 24 marks are there, and time is also maximum. So it is advisable that the marks are more and time are required more, in that question you have to attend first. Again, this is my suggestion. So for in the board exam, suppose you try with the section C, then it is well and good, because you have to spend more time there, 68 minutes, and the marks are 24. Okay, again I repeat that for the one question at least you have 8 minutes. Okay, dear student, always remember that whenever you write one section, then complete that section properly. Okay, and if you do not know any question, then leave some space. Okay, uh, don't write at back, like in section A, don't mix with the section B. Suppose you are writing section C, leave some blank if you do not know the any question. Okay, now my second suggestion is that you go through the section D. I told you first is section C and then section D, because section D, in that the marks are 20. okay, maximum mark and the minimum question, and you can give the 60 minute to them. So one question carry 12 minutes here, okay. So whenever you give the 12 minutes to this question, then you can easily complete the question. Again, physics, chemistry and biology, in that you have to write point wise, and biology in that first draw the figure, physics in that you draw the circuit first, okay. Then after, dear student, you can go with the section B, in that 10 questions are there, and you can see here you have 47 minute are there. 47 minute means you have here 10 questions are there, so at least you can give the 4 minute to each question, and at last you can attain the section A, because one word one sentence questions are there, or multiple choice questions are there, so you can give the 15 minute. Dear student, again and again I repeat, it is my suggestion, you can start with the section A, section B, section C and section D, okay. But I want that you should start first with the section C, then section D, section B and section A. There are other points are also there that we are going to discuss. It is advisable that you should start from the section C, then after the D, and then after B, and then after the A. You can start with any section, but condition is that you have to not complete you have to complete all the question in one section. No need to write any question at last or in between. You have to complete one question of section C. In section C only, no need to write at the back side of the supplementary. Biology question, in that first draw the figure, and then make the one block on around the figure. Chemistry question, in that write the reaction and make the block. Many students are there, they are not writing this thing and they start writing paragraph wise. Dear student, it is not advisable like that. First you draw the figure in the biology. Chemistry, in that you draw the reaction and write the name of the reactant and product, okay. On arrow you write the catalyst or the whatever the heat symbol are that you write, and then you carry forward. Physics question, in that write the formula or circuit and make the block, okay. So physics, in that write the formula, make it block, or the circuit are there, then also you make the block. Why? Because it is easily visible to the paper checker that you write well, and first impression is the last impression. So when he impress or she impress from your paper, then maybe they can give the more marks. If you not understand any question, then leave some space and temporarily leave questions and don't waste your time there. I have many experience that many students, if they not understand any question, then they focus on that question only, and because of that reason they are not able to attend those questions which they are knowing. So always leave the question in any confusion, and then at last you try to write by yourself. If you find your answer is correct, then main word you underline or make the block around it, or do something like that it is visible. Suppose you have confidence that your question is correct in the maths or science, then you make the block or you underline it, so it is easily visible to examiner, okay, paper checker, to give the mark. At last, some question answer you do not know, the try to attain without doing underline. Suppose you are going to fail, or the other situation are there, you are going to get good marks, but one or two question you are not knowing. At this situation, you try to attain most of the question which you are not knowing. Try to attain means try to write something, but make sure that you should not do underline like that, because it is visible. Okay. What are the precautions when you entered in the exam room? As your board exam is in the different type of school, you have to take lot of care, because your school teachers or the school staff is not there, the school teacher and staffs are there. Smartwatch mobile is not allowed. First thing is that by mistake never carry the smartwatch or the mobile. Just check on your bench or wall something is written, please tell the supervisor. Always remember that before you only someone write on the bench or the wall, you just inform the supervisor that it is already written. You cannot exchange the pencil, eraser, pen, board in the board exam, because CCTV camera in that audio recording is not there. Many times students are take exam so friendly that if they do not have the pencil, rubber or something like water, then they try to talk with each other, and so it will come in the CCTV camera. In that audio recording is not there, so you can come in the great trouble. If two or for more students, their supplementary in that few or more question answer are similar, then board can take the action on you, so don't copy. Many time it happens that student think that nobody is seeing and we can do copy. No, if your supplementaries are match, then also you can come in the trouble. Use the transparent writing pad to write in the exam. You have to use the transparent writing pad to write in the exam. Before exam you have to take the proper rest, sleep properly. Many students are there, they are preparing before exam, so whole night they study, so they cannot take the proper rest and they cannot write in the exam. Try to avoid the rumors like paper is leaked. So many time it is a rumor is spread like in the WhatsApp or Facebook or something. Any social media is paper is leaked. Don't focus on that. It change your intention. Okay, better that whatever you know you focus on that, and just whatever you know that you only revise. Before exam, try to revise the topic. Generally, not advisable to read the new topic. Always remember that generally it is not advisable that you should read the new topic because it take a lot of time to understand. So generally try to revise those topics which you already completed before the exam. Stay away from the social media. It is most important that now January is going to come or January is going to over. You have to avoid the social media. You have to stop seeing the television, mobile. You not touch. Reason is that it can change your focus. Okay, intention is changed. Do meditation, yogasan, surya namaskar, anulom vilom, or go with the yog nidra that can give a rest to your mind and the body. Many students are physically healthy but mentally not healthy. So how the mental health are there? Whenever you can control on your mind and thoughts and body, so for that meditation is base thing. So you can do the meditation like you can do the 108 time om. So your breathing practice, your breathing system is well established. Then after you can do the yogasan. Okay, like you can do the pranayam. Okay, or you can go with the surya namaskar based exercise. Okay, so before exams go with the some yogasan or some exercise. Anulom vilom. Okay, you can put your two finger here and start the breathing from the left nostril, then close the left nostril and breathe from the right nostril. Like that you can do the anulom vilom. That whenever you are free also you can do. Or go with the yog nidra. Yog nidra is available on the YouTube. You can do with that. The benefit of yog nidra is that whatever you are take, you want to take the rest for the 6 hour, that rest you can take within the 1 hour or 20 minutes. Okay, so it is very important that you are physically and mentally so happy. This video for those students who want to score good mark or they think that maybe they achieve more than that, for them I made. Thank you so much.